We're in Civitavecchia. Oh, we've arrived in Civitavecchia. Right, here we are in we've arrived in we've arrived in Chivy. Oh, bang bang, Chivy bang bang. We've arrived at Czechoslovakia. We're in Civitavecchia, the gateway to Rome. Most people will get off here and take a coach to Rome, which we did last time, and it was beautiful. But today, we're going to check this place out rather than go there. Bont's risking going in a shop. I'm not sure I wanted to go in here really. She's looking at these things. They're €1.
And that's got a genuine crack in it.
A piece of rock.
A genuine crack.
Oh, she's after a bottle of water. Well, they're lovely, and you don't know what they are.
Oh,
you should get one of those bags.
Oh, stop it.
So, to find our way back, we've got to look for those tents. We're not entirely sure where we're going already. There doesn't seem to be a centre. It's just cars. So we go down the way we've just
come.
Okay. Right, there's no pavement, so we're doing a death walk here. Remember, this is Italy. Thing is that today 4 ships have docked, so there are a heck of a lot of people coming from the dock. We found some kind of city wall. Looks like it's lit up at night as well. I think Bont's found the entrance there. Ah, here it is. Oh, what is it?
Barbarossa in the Pirates of the Caribbean. He's a real person.
Oh, I see. Oh, Barbarossa.
Yeah, Barbarossa.
Okay.
He's got a character in there.
Yeah. The fortress. It is a fortress. La Rocca.
Yeah.
So this is the ancient fortress, and look at it. It's grown over. They've allowed it to sort of grow over. Oh my goodness. Oh, apparently it was used to hide the priests and things. Oh. Well, it's a mess now, isn't it? It needs looking after, really. Oh, that fella there was a priest. Almost looks like a death mask up there. Nice little sheltered shopping centre here, shopping area. The sun is baking, so what we're doing is we're following the route of the wall. There's a street seller up there hassling people. We're going to go out and have a look and try and dodge this fella because he looks like he's quite hassly. I gave him a fierce look and he ignored me. That works. There you are, there's the harbour. It's beautiful. It's really nice up here actually because we're sheltered from the sun. It is actually extremely hot out. Bont's having a good look. And a picture. Our ship is out there to the right. Actually, this does look like the place to come when the ships are in. I mean, 4 ships are in, and look at this, it's quiet. Either they don't come up here, or they've gone back to their ship anyway. There were a lot going back. I don't think they made it this far.
Yeah, they've all gone back to the ship because it's too hot.
Yeah. And I can speak in a normal voice now, instead of whispering into my microphone. Some people from the cruise made it here. So that's a nice little walkway. We've got to the fort, and now we've got to come off it. So we go down here. Excuse me. Sorry about that. We found the cathedral. We're looking for a market now. Apparently there are 2, an old one and an ancient one. So which market is this one, the old or the ancient?
This is the ancient one's in there.
Oh, so this is the old, okay.
Yes.
They call these Panama hats, but they're not real, not really. They're straw hats, really. Plenty of them. Oh, and caps. Oh, look, Italian caps. Oh, nice. There are no prices. We're going to try the ancient market. That was the old one. This is the really old one. Oh, it's a proper one. Nice. Oh, blimey, they finish at 1 o'clock. Oh, it's not even 1 yet, but they've packed up. Mind you, if you're going to get a bargain, you might get it now. They're still going. So this guy here is really friendly. I think he wants me to take film of his shop, so I'm stood here taking it for him because he obviously wants a little bit of promotion. They're very busy in there. They're still going out here. I have no idea what that curly vegetable is. It looks like a vegetable. Oh, this is very nice. There's a little square of market stalls. They're all packing up, I think. Yeah, so 1 o'clock seems to be the closing time for the market stalls. These are doormats. They're absolutely beautiful. That's the one that Lucy would like, little cat. But you wouldn't want to walk on it. Those cushions are just €2.50. Great price. And beautiful. Ton of clothes. This goes the whole length of the store. That's just one side. Right down the back there. And then there are more in the centre, in rows. Very, very, very well laid out. It's difficult to see because it's so crowded. The only thing with these stores is you can't try them on really because they haven't got a fitting room, which is a pity because actually the prices are ever so good. They're great parkers in Italy. Can you imagine getting that close? How did they do that without hitting anything? Oh, I think we found a posh bit. Looks quite nice. Nice bars and cafes. I think there's a meeting going on here. Oh. Jets and the Sharks. That's a theatre over there. Ooh, what came first, the chicken or the egg? Tell you what, that duck must have had a hell of a time having that egg. Cool. I'll make a note of that. It's really not crowded. As I said earlier, consider there are 4 cruise ships in. They're not coming down here. I don't think they made it. I think we've hit jackpot. This is a really lovely area. Just shows you, if you walk a little bit away from the port, you can find some beautiful places. There's a shop there called Spaghetti's. Well, they've got authentic fresh gelato here, but Bont is not tempted. She's determined to go to the one she's found on her map. But this does look like a lovely upmarket area. It's nice. Right, we found the ice cream shop. It does look rather nice. Oh. That one is lemon and mango. Oh, cookies and pistachio. Oh, nice. Bont's been wearing her boarding pass all morning and I didn't even know. It's another beautiful church. Down at the seaside part here, it's actually very pleasant and it definitely looks more upmarket. But the nice thing is the prices are quite good actually for everything. Right, we're going to run the gauntlet. Italian roads, you've got to watch them. See, they don't stop, they're all over the place. So, jeez. It's on a zebra crossing. How's that for parking? Right on the zebra crossing. And there's the driver. Once seen some nice silk scarves. Oh, they are rather nice. Someone's drawn a picture down here and it's faded away. This is a monument that's dedicated to the victims of the mafia, and you can see there are two men there in those shapes. It's quite strange. If you get it at the wrong angle you can't see it, but that's actually what it is. It's two men. So one person is Falcone and the other one is Borsellino, and you've got to be at the right angle to see it. So as I go back it might become a little bit more apparent that it's two blokes talking. Got to watch myself. I can see it myself by eye now. If I go left or right, I don't know. Ah, there you are. Just about here is the clearest place. So there they are, the two blokes talking. It's a gorgeous looking place. No one ever mentions this, but this place. Lovely eating area down here. Well, you can't forget the name, Son of a Beach. In many ways, this reminds me of Florida. Once you've finished a good swim, you can come up here and look through the stalls. That's it, we're off.